Welcome back to our Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan and I am so fancy. That's because today's video is inspired by Lizzo. Now, I've wanted to do a Lizzo inspired video for a while now, and I know this series is called Summer Throwback, but like, this song, Truth Hurts, which is probably her most popular song at the moment, is on like the summer charts, and I just need an excuse to do a Lizzo video. I wanted to make a Lizzo treat for like juice, but I felt Truth Hurts would be cool, that we could make some like wedding, like bride cupcakes, because that's kind of the whole theme of the music video. And that's why I'm cutting off my circulation in my arms and my neck, all for this video. So let's cut to those ingredients. Truth Hurts needs something more exciting. No man on the Minnesota Vikings. Flour, butter, sugar, eggs, Greek yogurt, vanilla, baking powder, and baking soda. The first thing I want to do is pop our bubbly. By pop, I mean we're taking off the cap. How am I gonna get that? It's not doing anything. Oh, yep, celebrate. Oh my god. Help! Oh, ah! Stop! Save it! What a mess! It smells like apple still. Come on. Wow, don't invite me to your wedding. Sorry. Cheers to this mess, and yeah. What is Lizzo's juice? Like, she blames it on her juice. What is our juice? Well, our party started off just great. But we're looking for about a cup of sparkling cider. Make sure all the bubbles go away. And once you have a cup of sparkling cider, add that to a small saucepan. For this recipe, we want to reduce down this sparkling cider. And to do that, we're going to take this over to the stove and on medium-low heat, cook this mixture until it starts to thicken. We're looking for about half a cup of reduced sparkling cider for this recipe. While our cider is reducing on the stove, we can start to work on the cupcakes themselves. Beginning with our dry ingredients, we want to add in our flour, baking powder, and baking soda. I set our dry ingredients off to the side, and now in a larger bowl, we want to cream together our butter and sugar. I always like to scrape down the sides of the bowl after every step, just to make sure everything is incorporated. You kind of get into that tempo. To this butter and sugar, let's crack in our eggs next. Add the eggs one at a time, beating after each addition. Ah! It ain't my fault. I'll blame it on the juice. The juice did it to me. Once you've cracked in your eggs, we can add in our Greek yogurt. Mix that up as well, and follow that by adding in your vanilla extract. We've got both components to our cupcakes ready, our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients. I'm gonna start by adding in half of our dry, mix it up. Then we're gonna add in all of our reduced down cider, mix that up as well. Add in the last half of your dry ingredient and remix it. I just took a DNA test, turns out this is amazing. Our cupcake batter is ready to be placed into their pans. I've lined a 12 cup cupcake pan. It's a lot of cups. I've lined a cupcake pan with 12 white cupcake liners to fit our theme. I've also got an ice cream scoop which will help us scoop out our cupcake batter. We're gonna fill each cupcake about 2/3 of the way full. They are finally ready to go into the oven. We're gonna pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes or until golden brown. I took our cupcakes out of the oven and gave them plenty of time to cool down. Now we can get to decorating these. I've got some buttercream frosting which I flavored with some more sparkling cider. And then over here I've made a few more details. I've got some really tiny little flowers because Lizzo's holding, I don't know what type of flowers they are, but like in the wedding she's holding these flowers. So we made those. I made some fondant like veils by just taking a circle cookie cutter and then cutting that in fours. I also ruffled the edges just a little bit. And of course we need some bling because Lizzo's that goddess. So I've got some like shiny white sprinkles. We're gonna start by decorating our cupcakes with our frosting, piping a big dollop on top. Then I'll add on one of our little veils to the back. Add on your candy melt flowers. And of course, finish this off with our bling. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bring the treat back. That's right. Here we have them, our Lizzo inspired Truth Hurts bride cupcakes that we made today. This simple sparkling cider cupcake is amazing. It just takes it to another level because, let's be honest, that a vanilla cupcake can kind of be boring sometimes, like Truth Hurts. If you happen to make this, please share it with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another celebrity sweets, leave those down in the comments below as well. Also, don't forget to share this video and subscribe. And until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video. And down here's another summer throwback. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.